Discover 86 acres of freedom, a working landscape designed for farming, gardening, and peaceful living in McEwen, Tennessee. This versatile property offers everything needed for a self-sustained country lifestyle, with fenced-in garden areas, a greenhouse, chicken coop, and a spacious shop ideal for storage or equipment use. Multiple natural springs add beauty and function, supporting the land's fertile character. Surrounded by thousands of privately owned acres, this property ensures unmatched privacy and tranquility. At the heart of it all stands a stunning 3,205 square foot custom-built home featuring 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The open concept floor plan fills every space with natural light, while the kitchen showcases custom white oak cabinetry, Taj Mahal quartz countertops, and a large island perfect for gatherings. The primary suite, located on the main level, provides a peaceful retreat, and upstairs, a spacious bonus room offers flexibility for work, play, or relaxation. Beyond the main residence, an additional farmhouse offers excellent potential for renovation, ideal for guest living or extended family. The land's natural beauty invites exploration, farming, or simply soaking in the peace of Tennessee countryside. Whether you're seeking a private homestead, a sustainable farm, or long-term family retreat, this property brings together craftsmanship, privacy, and